10th Standard Economics, Unit 3, Money and Credit. Dear students, you have already observed the video of social science textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. This video consists of important extra questions other than textbook questions. Let's begin. First main, answer the following questions. Explain the different stages of evolution of money. The different stages of evolution of money are barter system, commodity money, metallic money, paper money, bank money, plastic money. These are the different stages of evolution of money. Let's move to question number 2. Give examples for paper money. Answer is rupee in India, dollar in the USA, pound in England, euro in Europe, yen in Japan, yuan in China. These are the examples for paper money. Let's move to question number 3. Give examples for bank money. Answer is checks, drafts, deposit receipts, etc. These are the examples for bank money. Let's move to question number 4. Explain the importance of banks. Answer is banks play an important role in economic development. They mobilize the savings of the public and make these available for investors, thereby helping the process of capital formation. Banks provide a convenient way of remittance of money through the accounts of the customers. Banks offer higher rates of interest on fixed deposits. They give loans to the borrowers at lower rates of interest. They also discount the bills of exchange. They lend money to agriculture, industry, and service activities for their development. They issue demand draft, credit cards, debit cards. The banks also invest the funds on securities of the government. These are the importance of banks. How does RBI work as banker to government? Answer is the RBI accepts the deposits of central and state governments. It collects money and also makes payments on behalf of the government. It issues government bonds, treasury bills, and also acts as financial advisor to the government. RBI also extends loans advances to central and state governments as and when necessary. In this way, RBI works as banker to government. Question number 6. How does RBI work as banker's bank? Answer is RBI also acts as the bank for all banking institutions in the country. All the banks of the country have to keep a predetermined part of their deposits as reserves with the RBI. Whenever banks need additional money, RBI provides credit to them. It regulates the activities of the banks and guides them in monetary management. In this way, RBI works as banker's bank. Question number 7. Explain the concept of bank rate policy. Answer is the bank rate is the rate at which the RBI lends funds to banks. This affects the rate at which banks can lend to its borrowers. Higher the bank rate, lower the credit creation and vice versa. RBI also varies the repo rate and reverse repo rate, affecting the interest rate on short-term borrowings and deposits respectively by the commercial banks, thereby affecting their capacity to lend. These are all about the concept of bank rate policy.